All right, class, settle down, settle down. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101 Advanced Facepalm Avoidance. Today we're tackling the bumps in the road, the banana peels, the mistakes that turn affiliate marketing from a potential gold mine into, let's just say, a slightly awkward situation. You've heard the dream, passive income, working in your PJs, global reach. Sounds amazing, right? It is. But just like trying to assemble IKEA furniture blindfolded, there are a few structural challenges. Affiliate marketing, you recommend stuff you like, people buy, you get paid, easy peasy. Like being that friend who gets free dessert for recommending a restaurant. But many beginners stumble right out of the gate. And that, my friends, brings us to the pitfalls, the classic blunders. Buckle up because some of these are, well, let's just say I've seen them happen. Maybe even lived a few. Hypothetically, mistake number 1, focusing too much on sales instead of relationships. Nobody trusts a pushy salesperson. Be the helpful friend, not the car salesman trying to offload a lemon. Mistake 2, not researching products. Promoting a dud is like recommending a movie where everyone leaves halfway through. Your credibility? Gone with the wind. The myth of getting rich overnight? Spoiler alert, the only place you will find money before work is in the dictionary. It takes time, effort, and probably less binge watching than you'd hope. Neglecting your audience? That's throwing spaghetti at the wall. If you don't know what they want, you're just making a mess. Skipping email marketing? You're missing out on your VIP party line. Build that list, segment your audience, offer value. Not tracking success? That's driving without a map. Set goals, use analytics, pivot when needed. Learn from your mistakes. Now, how do we crush it? Pick a niche you love, know your audience, create quality content, diversify traffic, build that email list, track everything, stay updated, be transparent, engage. Remember, it's about being helpful, authentic, and persistent. Don't jump in without research. Don't just slap on links. Promote wisely, track your earnings, choose products you'd recommend to grandma. Listen to your audience, they're your GPS. Avoiding these blunders turns potential face palms into high fives. It's a journey, not a sprint. Unless you're running from a mistake, maybe then it's a sprint. All right, class dismissed for today. Hopefully you've learned a few ways to dodge those affiliate marketing pitfalls. If you found this lecture helpful or just slightly less boring than actual class, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe for more marketing wisdom, and leave a comment below with your biggest affiliate marketing blunder. We can laugh about them together. Thanks for watching.